Welcome back to the DashMan channel. Last week, after I drove the Humvee in the Christmas parade, I brought it home and it was in my backyard and I almost killed myself. What I was doing was taking all of my cameras off of the vehicle and something terrible happened. I'm glad to be alive. Let's talk about it. So I open my door and I'm done packing my stuff up, and yes, believe me, I am very stupid. And I feel stupid. So here's the parking brake, and I grab this bin and try to lift it up to bring it my way. And as you can see, it hits the parking brake. And if you barely move this forward, it's spring loaded and it's just gonna rock it all the way. And it's not easy to pull back from this position, let alone if there's a big tote right here. So I couldn't get that leverage to pull that up. So yeah, it just took me for a ride. I was caught here in the door, rolled all the way back to there. Here's basically where the vehicle was before it started rolling. Now, keep in mind, I'm stuck in the doorway, so I can't actually get away, and I'm reaching in frantically trying to pull that brake back up as the truck begins to pick up speed, and I end up crashing right here through my fence and into the ditch. If you look here, that post that is remaining standing scraped the side of the vehicle. There's a post that was completely snapped off. Believe it or not, no damage to the vehicle itself. I just lost my spare tire on the back. That post that snapped off jabbed itself right into that tire. So, I'm going to have to fix that. Other than that, all I had were some minor abrasions on the passenger side of the vehicle. No big deal. I've got paint to touch that up because I'm scratching this thing up with trees all the time when I go off-roading anyway. So that's really not a big deal. I was really lucky that one of those 2x4s didn't go right into my back. A couple more inches and it would have happened. The next step now is to fix the fence and find a good tire. As luck would have it, I found a dedicated military tire guy right here in Tennessee. So I'm heading out to see Ronnie at Bigfoot Military Tires. Apparently he has hundreds, if not thousands of tires available. So I'm going to fix the spare tire on the back, check out his inventory, and I definitely know where I can go to get some really good tires for this Humvee if I ever need them. Looks like that one's in charge.
That's
I know, it looks like he's the boss.
that black one there.
Yeah.
Is, same, and that one is black and white.
Wow. Yeah, he's got a lot of tires.
there. If you hold it right out to your hand, it'll come immediately out of your hand.
Look at that duck. I was asking your dad. Does the duck think it's a chicken?
It goes along with them everywhere.
Yeah, it's a newer style valve. It looks like it's got a little oil on it or something.
But I love it. It's got, I mean, these lights are so bright.
Oh, like the back and
For back, front, and side.
right.
I mean, it makes my backyard look like a football field, you know? But I love the winches. I've got a winch switch back here, and I can control it inside.
Okay.
The one in the front actually has a remote that I plug into it and run it from remote. And so, I mean, it's just great. And it's got separate switches for all the lights. And then the only thing I did to it was put in locking door handles. I didn't want to drive it somewhere that would stop in. And I put a cylinder on it so it can start with a key.
Okay.
But I left the switch, I left the military switch in there because I like the look of that. And plus you have to drill it out to fit the cylinder.
Right.
So I just attached my cylinder right underneath the steering wheel. So if anybody hops in who knows the thing, they'd hit that and wouldn't even do anything.
A few moments later.
Hindsight, man, is 2020. Is I feel like all I should have just done when I was right here is just push that floor pedal in.
Yeah, you don't have time to think.
Yeah, and all I was thinking was, I have to get this up. I have to get this up, and that's the
Because
weight.
that was what happened. So you think, well, that's
Yeah,
what I need to
that's
take
what
care
I need to fix. And the weight of this coming up, and not only that, I've got these switches here.
Yeah.
So as I'm reaching here and I'm pulling, it's pulling this way and getting obstructed, and then it's hard. It's
From
hard
when you're
from
over
right here.
It's even harder.
Yeah, dude. Like my arm's hurting bad. I feel very lucky
Yeah.
to be
Is
alive.
it even that big of a slope, the hill it rolled down? Or not too bad?
I mean, it's not. Let's just say it's not like this. It's more like that. But it's
nice little
enough.
gradual
It's
slope.
enough to get it
And
going.
as it gets going, it gains speed.
And the reason I park at that angle is because of the rain. So when the rain gets in the bed, it doesn't kind of just
So it
roll
goes
into
out
here.
the
It
back.
rolls out the back. So I don't have to worry about it.
Right. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yep.
All right. Get that
Thanks again, man. It was a pleasure.
Parking mode off.